Angi sends contractor leads through a pay-per-lead system, where you're charged even if the customer never hires you. By the end of this, you'll know how Thumbtack and Angi actually deliver leads, where most contractors lose money, and which platform gives you more control over what jobs you get. Here's the simple breakdown. Thumbtack works like a matching system. You pick the type of jobs you want, set your budget, and only respond to customers who request quotes. That means you control which leads you pay for and how much you're willing to spend per lead. Angi works differently. You pay for leads based on the job category and location, even before you know if the customer is serious. That means you can get charged for leads that never turn into actual work. So the real difference is control versus volume. Thumbtack usually gives fewer, but more targeted leads. You're filtering customers before you pay, which reduces wasted spending but also limits how many opportunities come in. Angi usually gives more lead volume, especially in home services like plumbing, HVAC, cleaning, and electrical work. But a bigger pipeline doesn't automatically mean more profit if a portion of those leads don't convert into paid jobs. Here's how to decide based on your situation. If you're just starting out and need consistent job flow, Angi can keep your calendar moving. But you need to track your lead costs closely so you don't overpay for unresponsive customers. If you already have experience and want better control over who contacts you, Thumbtack is usually easier to optimize because you can adjust targeting and budgets based on what actually converts into paying work. Both platforms reward fast response time. The quicker you reply to a lead, the higher your chance of getting the job, because most customers message multiple providers at once. So the platform matters, but speed often matters just as much. Summary: Angi gives higher lead volume, but less control over quality. Thumbtack gives more control, but fewer total leads. Your results depend on how tightly you manage responses and targeting. Next step: test both platforms for one service category for 7 to 14 days and track which one produces more booked jobs, not just leads. Subscribe for more clear breakdowns of gig apps and side income platforms without the fluff.